Hey guys, in today's video we're gonna be constructing angles. So it's usually they give you a little line and they say please draw an angle that is 65 degrees or 155 for example. So the first thing I need to do is I have to decide what point I'm going to use as my corner. Obviously if I draw an angle, it has this little point here, or the corner, or the so I can choose which side. I'm going to choose this side. I'm going to use both sides. Okay. But for the first example, let's use this side. So the first thing I need to do is this little straight line at the bottom here has to be exactly on my line. And then in the middle there's a little cross, and the point of my line has to be exactly there in the middle. So this looks pretty on point, so that's fine. So now I've aligned my protractor and I have to measure 65 degrees. Now again, I have two options. I can do 0, 10, 20, 30, or 180, 170, 160. But because this is my line shows me 0, I'm gonna go this way and I'm gonna start at 0, and I have to go to 65. So I go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, and I make a little dot there. If you had a protractor like this, you do exactly the same thing. So you just line it up exactly in the middle, make sure that line is straight, that's in exactly at the right corner. And again, you have a choice of 10, 20, 30, 40 on the inside, or the 80, 70 on the outside. You just go all the way up till 60, and there's 65, but I can't make a mark here, so I have to go to the outside, and you'll see they align. So I can even go to you might not see it here, but there's a 120, and then between the 120 and the 110 there's a little longer line, and that is 5 that way. So this line exactly here would be, let's say that would be my 60, and then I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I make a little dot. You don't have to do this writing, but you have to make the little dot, and then from that dot to my line you have to draw a line, and then this will be 65 degrees. Okay, the next one, let me just do it on the other side as well. So if I wanted to draw an angle to the other side, I would still line it up, just make sure I use this mark at this end, and then now I can't use the inside because the inside starts at 180. I can use the outside, which starts at 0, and I go all the way till 65. I make a little dot, and then I can just connect the dot with my corner, and now this will be 65 degrees. Simple. So I'm gonna do the 155 example with this one. This one, we can do it with this one, either or, doesn't matter. Maybe it's easier. This one is clearer, so I can easily see the dot, so I have to align them up straight. There we go, that looks perfect. I think that's great. And now I have to do 155, and I'm starting from this side. I'm starting at this 0, not at the 180, so I have to look at the 0 at the inside. So I have to go all the way across till the 150, and I'll go look at the outside. There's a 150, that's 150, and I'm using those little measurements, and I'm counting 5 on, and I'm getting that dot. Obviously I could do it on the inside as well, just aligning it up, it would probably be around there. And now I can just draw a line, and this will be 120 degrees. Well, sorry, 155 degrees, that angle there. And we know it's right because it's an obtuse angle. So this is obviously an obtuse angle. I can do the angle from this side as well. Seeming good. No, I'm gonna have a tough time because it's going off my page. But if I wanted to do it, if I hold everything completely still, it might work. So I have to start at 0 on this side, go all the way across to 150, and then 155 is there on my board. And if I keep everything straight and aligned, that can work, and there we go. So then we have 155 degrees. Okay.